So this is second part of the same topic, sets. We have seen what are sets, how to write sets, what are the rules, what are the elements, um, how to name, how to write the elements in the first part. This is second part. We are going to see how to represent a sets. There are three methods of representing the sets. There are three methods of representing the sets. There are three methods of representing the sets. First is listing method. First is listing method. It is also called roster method. Listing means just list down. Listing. It is also called roster method. Second is rule method. The rule method is used to write large sets. Very large elements are there, so it is used. It is also called set builder method. Here we are not writing the set, we are building the set, so it is called set builder method. And third is Venn diagram. It is diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic means using squares, rectangles and circles for the set. So at present we are not I am not explaining Venn diagram. When time will come in the examples, that time I will explain the Venn diagram type method. So first is listing method. You know elements, you know sets. So what are the rules of the writing sets? Like by listing method. Listing method. First, write all the elements between two curly brackets. This is a symbol of curly bracket. Two curly bracket. All the elements should be between these two curly brackets. Separate each element by comma. Separate each element by comma. Third is order or series is not important. Whether you are writing 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 3, 2, 1 or 3, 2, 4, 1, it is not important. Series or order is not important. Next is elements have entry only once even though it is repeated. This is very important. This is very important. Every element will have entry only once even though it has repeated. For example, my phone number is 9322201270. In the set only one will come, other two will 1 2 3, other 3 times 2 has repeated, they will not come. So set will be 932017 and this 0 will not come. So element will have entry only once. Entry only once even though it has repeated. And last is the example. Example is write a set of alphabets in Bombay. Write a set of alphabets in Bombay. So alphabets are BOMBAY. Alphabets are BOMBAY. So name of the set is capital. We have written in the previous video. Name B. B is a set of, this is not equal to, B is a set of alphabets B. O, M, again B. So this B has no entry. This B has no entry because each element will come only once. So this B has not entry, don't have entry inside. BOM, B is not having entry, so AY. So set of Bombay becomes Bombay. Set of Bombay becomes Bombay. So once again I am repeating how to write a listing method set how to write a set by listing method. It is write all sets in the curly bracket, all the elements in the curly bracket closed. Separate each element by comma. I have separated by comma. Order or series is not important. You can write this set with another way or in different way. B is a set of Y, O, B, Y, O, B, M, A. This is also correct. So, series or order is not important, and the main is each element will have entry only once. So, this is the set, writing set by listing method. We will take different examples to understand listing method. So we have taken another 4 examples of listing method, writing the set by listing method. So condition is write a set of odd natural numbers. Write a set of odd natural number. This is the condition. Odd natural numbers. So A is a set of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 dot dot. Dot dot means it is an infinity set. Infinite numbers will come. So dot dot dot. See the statement, keep in mind. Set of odd natural numbers. Set of odd natural numbers. Clearly written, correct? We have listed. Listing method listed. Next is write a set of perfect square numbers which are less than 20. So 1 into 1 square, it is not called a perfect square. So next is 2. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. The next is 5. 5 into 5, 5 square is 25, but we need less than 20, correct? So 4, 6, 9 we have listed. Keep in mind the sentence. Set of perfect square numbers. Set of perfect square numbers. I am underlining odd natural numbers. Perfect square numbers less than 20. Correct? Next is colors in rainbow. Colors in rainbow. Next rule is integer. Make a set of integer which is less than or equal to 4. Integer which is less than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to minus 4. See, once again I am repeating. Set of integer, I is integer, which is greater than or equal to minus 4. greater than or equal to minus 4 and integer which is less than or equal to 4. These signs you have studied. Your mathematics teacher might have studied, explain you these signs. Minus 4, our integers are less than greater than or equal to minus 4, greater than or equal to minus 4, and our integers are less than or equal to 4. So who are they? Our integers are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are our number integers, correct? Now keep in mind the underline. Keep in mind the underline. These are the listing method type sets I have written here. Now we are moving towards the rule method. In rule method, if they write key, make a set of numbers 1 to 10,000. Make a set of 1 to 10,000. So will you able to write these things? In one example, you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 10,000 you have to list. Is it possible? No. So that time we have to use the rule. What is the rule? The same set I am writing in rule method. See, A is the set of all x such that A is the set of all x such that x belongs to natural number. X belong odd natural number. X is odd natural number. So all x will come from 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity. See, odd natural number. This is the rule. This is the rule. We have used same. So a rule is present in the question. Rule is present in the question. Only how to represent? A is a set of A is a set of A is a set of all x. A is a set of all x. This is called such that. Such that. This oblique line is called such that. So A is a set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. X is an odd natural number. X is an odd natural number. This much simply we can write the rule method set. Just write what is given in the question. Just write what is given in the question. Now the next one. See, perfect square number less than 20. I am writing here. B is a set of all x such that B is a set of all x such that a x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Otherwise less than 20, you can write less than 20, perfect square number less than 20. Finish. See, rule is available in the question. Rule is available in the question. I am writing the third set by rule method. C is a set of all x, not necessary always take x. C is a set of all y such that y is a C. What has written? Color in the rainbow. I have written the thing which is given in the question only. Correct? And now this is the rule. This is the rule. How to write then? D is a set of all x. All x such that x belongs to integers. I is integer. D is a set of all x such that x belongs to integer and minus 4 is, sorry, our integer is greater than or equal to 4 and our integer is less than or equal to 4. Once again I am repeating. D is a set of all x such that x belongs to integer. X belongs to integer. Our integer, what is the condition? Our integer is greater than or equal to minus 4. Our integer is greater than or equal to minus 4 and our integer is less than or equal to 4. Our integer is greater than or equal to minus 4, means it may be minus 4 or greater than minus 4, and our integer is less than or equal to 4. So listing, it comes minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In rule, we have repeated the same sentence given in the question. So this is listing method, this is rule method. Write 5 times or 10 times or 5 numbers or 10 numbers of listing sets and 5 to 5, write 10 maximum. Try maximum. Trying will make you perfect. Practice will make you perfect. More you try, more you will get. Try to write around 10 examples of listing method sets and convert them into rule method. Try it. Very nicely you will get. So write down this. Pause the video and you can write nicely. So listing method, rule method. This finishes our today's lecture, which was supposed to upload at 4:30, but I am uploading today as there was some mistake in the uploading. Clear? Nice. Once again I am congratulating you for clearing your 8th standard. Best of luck to everybody. Tell your friends to join Nike classes online lectures. if they make late, they may be in the difficulty to understand the things clearly. Okay, give them our number, give them our address, give them my own number, and tell them to join the class. Thank you.